Have you noticed your auto insurance rates increasing lately? Many of us have. Many of us are very pained by these bills that are going up. As your insurance agents, we are too, honestly. We don't control rates. We don't have any say over rates. We just get the unfortunate position of having to tell you why your rates are going up. So let's break it down and talk about it a little bit. One major reason that we're all being affected by dramatic rate increase is extreme weather. Floods, hurricanes, hailstorms, all these things are causing more and more damage and more insurance claims. In fact, in 2024 alone, claims related to severe storms hit record highs. The insurance companies have statistics to prove this and show this, but definitely saw some record-breaking weather-related events in 2024. Another factor, repairs are getting more and more expensive. Skilled labor is getting more and more expensive. Car parts, demand on car parts, delays in car repair, all of these things are driving the overall costs of recovery after a collision higher and higher. And those costs are being passed on to drivers just like you. Moving on, driver behavior. This is playing a huge role. Distracted driving, the effects of texting while driving, speeding, driving under the influence, all of these things hugely impact claim severity. So when you have claim severity ever on the increase, definitely it's going to affect the bottom line of the insurance company and therefore of you. Where you live has an impact because they consider things like population density in an area, therefore leads to a little bit higher claim likelihood, those sorts of things, statistics of the area, costs of labor and repair in your area. These things also dramatically affect how much you're paying for car insurance. So what can you do about it? Well, think about, being mindful of things like your credit score, being mindful of turning in smaller claims, being mindful of what you're doing on the roadway. Honestly, one of the best things you can do is pay attention when you're driving. Try to avoid the accident altogether. Try not to look at his insurance as, well, I pay for it anyway, I might as well use it. That sort of approach really impacts everybody in a negative way. You do pay for insurance and you should be able to use it, but really the best time to use it is catastrophic financial loss that you cannot manage. That's really the best time to use insurance, and that's when you want it there for. Insurance rates might be out of our control, but understanding why they're going up all the time, and at least this gives us a little bit more power, right? At least understanding the things that we can control and doing what we can about it helps overall in the long run. So we just wanted to share this with you today and hope that it helps you at least understand a little bit better some of the things that are happening when we talk about car insurance rates. We understand it's still hitting your pocketbook pretty hard and draining your wallets. We get that, but sometimes at least understanding helps a little bit more. Thanks for stopping by. Drive safely.